Hello, my name is Ruth Kukiriza, an on-chain data analyst. I'm thrilled to introduce to you a tool that transforms smart contract security auditing into an intuitive data-driven experience, the Smart Contract Vulnerability Scanner. It analyzes smart contracts across Ethereum, Polygon, Binance Smart Chain, and Arbitrum networks, detaining critical vulnerabilities including reentrancy attacks, integer overflows, access control issues, unchecked calls, and delegate call, giving us real-time risk scoring with historical trend and comparative analysis. It also gives us comprehensive scan history with network filtering, searching by contract address, export capabilities via CSV and HTML for reports, dark and light modes for extended analysis sessions, and vulnerability details with remediation and guidance. How does this tool work? This tool first of all takes in either a Solidity file containing code or a smart contract address. But first, we must know which network we are going to pick a contract address from. So we go to the network bar here and select a network of our choice. There are multiples here, so you choose one depending on the contracts you have. So for me, I would like to do run a scan on an Ethereum smart contract. So I choose Ethereum. Then if it is a Solidity file, we always save it on the computer, so you choose it from here. When you click here, you'll upload it. You go to the computer and choose it and then upload it. However, I am going to use a smart contract, so I'll have to paste it here. So after pasting, we are going to do our scan and have our results. But before we actually hit the scan button, please note that they are 12 scans. Yeah, so when our results are ready in under 3 seconds, we shall see various changes across this entire dashboard, especially the risk overview area, which shows immediate results. So let's go. So our scan is complete and we have our results. As you can see, there are 13 scans now, and while the scan was going on, there was some noticeable changes in here that's visible. Like you saw. So you have changes across the risk overview and the risk score, severity distribution, then top 5 vulnerabilities being accredited, being listed. Then you have a risk trend overview as per the different scans. Our scan is the 13th here. Then you have code insights from lines of code, functions and lies, compiler version, code distribution, and then you have scan history and performance, and then a comparative analysis of everything from top 10 riskiest contracts to scans by network, common vulnerability types, and then recent scans history, which also provides a filter bar for different networks if we had wanted to scan recent results for different networks. So click here. So that's it for the scan tool that we are using, or that I came up with. I would like to thank and spend special thanks to the Analytic Sages group for always encouraging me not to give up, skilling me, and also being patient with me, because this journey was all for them. Thank you. All by them. Thank you.